What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be looking at Jim Cramer's #1 investing rule. Okay, let's get right into it. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. Okay, so let's get right into it. So, here it is. Bulls. People who are bullish on the market. What does that mean? That means they believe the market is going to go up in the long term, okay? It's going to go up. They have a positive mindset on the economy and on the stocks within the market, okay? They believe that the stocks are going to continue to rise, and they can profit off that, okay? They believe the market is going up, okay? Now bears, they're very bearish. They believe the market is going down and down and down. They believe the stocks in the market are going down and that they can make a profit by shorting these stocks, okay? They believe the market is going down and the economy is going down right now, okay? And pigs? Well, I don't think so I need to explain to you what a pig is, because you know pigs are overly greedy, and that's what this means. Pigs get slaughtered, okay? Pigs absolutely get slaughtered. If you are a pig in the market, you will get slaughtered. If you are a bear, you will make money. If you are a bull, you will make money. If you are a bear, you will also make money, but pigs get slaughtered, okay? If you are overly greedy in the market and you don't make sure to take some profits off the table, you will be slaughtered, okay? That's the main thesis of today's video. Sometimes stocks will go up, but stocks will never keep going up in a straight line. Stocks do not go in straight lines. Otherwise, everybody would be making money and everybody would be millionaires and billionaires off of the stock market, because everybody knows stocks are all going up. That's not the case. Stocks will not continuously rise, okay? Catching a major gain is one thing in a stock, okay? Maybe your stock went from $20 up to $40, but taking no profits off the table is being overly piggish, okay? And pigs get slaughtered. What happens the next day? This company is more, is unstable, right? It's more of a speculative company, right? The next day, the stock falls down to $30, okay? Then another week passes by and your stock is at $5. You lost. You invested at $20, but you lost $15 a share just because you didn't take any profits off of the table. Maybe if you took some profits, you would have broke even. But in this case, you lost everything and went down into the hole, okay? And this is the same for the bearish side. Investors who are bearish and maybe invest all their money during the crash, but then kept on holding, the crash just turned around within 1 year and the market started to rise again, they would have got hit really badly and they would have ran away from the market and really got injured because they didn't take any short-term profits there. You gotta take some off of the table or you're gonna lose everything, okay? Overly piggish behavior leads to losses and you will get slaughtered. Bulls and bears make money, okay? We have to remember that we must be ready to take some short-term pain for long-term gain, okay guys? This is the main thing. Okay, maybe you're taking some profits off the table, which you may lose some long-term profits, but short-term pain for long-term gain. Always better to be cautious and safe than sorry, okay? You don't know when your stock is gonna fall. You could have the best stock in the market and things could just go not as planned within a few days, okay? So make sure you're taking short-term pain, booking some profits, and taking profits off the table for long-term gains, okay? So, short-term pain for long-term gain. The people who got wiped out in the dot-com collapse were mostly the ones who didn't take everything or took nothing off of the table, okay? They didn't wring any of their profits. If they were to wring the profits, maybe they wouldn't have been in such fear of the market after they got crushed with the dot-com collapse. Okay, being cautious and ringing the register throughout times of profit will help you stay in the game and keep making money for long-term gain, okay? You never know when a stock you own will get crushed because we don't know that stocks will 100% go up and up and up in the long term, okay? So we must be ready to take some profits for short-term pain but long-term gain, okay? You never know when a stock will get crushed is what I mean. Stocks will never keep going up in a straight line, and we need to make sure to take some profits off the table and not be overly piggish. Well, a lot of people ask, how do we know we're not being overly piggish? But Jim Cramer states this the best way possible. He says, well, if you're asking me if you're being overly piggish, you don't need a financial advisor. Who you need is a psychiatrist, okay? That you will know. Okay, tell me you weren't feeling overly greedy when the stock market, when the S&P went up 3,000 points. The Dow Jones gains thousands of points, okay? Tell me you weren't being overly greedy and piggish, okay? You guys need to know when it's time to ka-ching, ka-ching. Take some profits off of the table. Okay, short-term pain for long-term gain. If you were to stick with certain stocks throughout the recession period, due to over-piggishness, you most likely would have never come back into this game. You would have ran away because of fear, okay? We gotta make sure that bulls and bears don't have monopolies in piggishness. We have no business in piggishness, okay? Pigs get slaughtered, bulls and bears make money, okay? Make sure to take your profits off the table when things are strong and moving, okay? Stocks will never continue to rise in a straight line forever. There's gonna be times of bullishness and bearishness, okay? We have to watch out for that and accordingly take some profits off of the table, okay? Now let's look at this. This cartoon says, you want to go again? Stock market carts they're gonna go around the roller coaster and it's empty, nobody's there, okay? People after the dot-com crash and also after the 2008 recession got scared and never came back to the markets, okay? They ran away and they lost this wonderful 10-year expansion period where the S&P gained 1,000 points or so, okay? We are gaining around 8 to 10% a year of compound interest, okay? People ran away in fear and only lost money, okay? People never came back. And this cartoon even says it even better. Rides, drivers wanted, apply here. No drivers to drive on the roller coaster, okay? Nobody wants to take a ride because they were fearful after getting wiped out in the 2000 and 2008 crash. Hope you guys learned that bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. Don't be overly greedy and you will come out on top.